Hey guys, I'm Manisha Gupta and our budget coverage continues, and 58% of Indian population, remember, derives income from agriculture directly or indirectly. And while the finance minister would be touching on various subjects like agri-tech, food processing, cold storages, export incentives, but one subject that markets almost are certain of would be talked about is fertilizers. Well, there's an expectation that you would be looking at a subsidy allocation of around $19 billion coming in for the fertilizer sector. There are some reports also suggesting it lower at around $13 to $14 billion as well, but within that space is what the allocations could be coming in from. Now, this is happening to compensate the fertilizer companies who are selling products below the market price to the farmers. So this is to compensate them. There is increased subsidy allocation for urea and complex is what the street is expecting. Also, the nutrient-based subsidy could be a part of this as well. Another important point that the finance minister could touch upon is lowering of import duties on fertilizers, raw materials. Remember, the input costs for fertilizers have been high. We also have seen, labor shortages, transportation, supply chain issues there. The international fertilizer costs also have been on the higher side. So either way that you look, the fertilizer cost and the input for the farmer in sense of cost of production has been on the higher side. So the government of India is going to be focusing on improving farmers' earning, and input is one thing to target as well. The other is to increase the balanced use of fertilizer. This is a line or a concept that is also expected to be talked about during this budget speech. So whether on what companies could really be taking importance or impact out of this. One is Chambal Fertilizers and Chemicals. This is one of the largest manufacturer of urea. It also does diammonium phosphate, and we are going to be looking at both of these being touched during the budget speech. The other is Coromandalam International. Watch out for that, because among many other businesses, it also specializes in fertilizer, crop protein, biopesticides, specialty nutrients, organic fertilizers, etc. So these are the two companies will see an impact on that. And the other companies like Rama Phosphates, Deepak Fertilizer, some of the others that will see benefit out of what the expectations are during this budget from the fertilizer space.
It is rare to get information that is tailor-made for you. In this era of clutter, Moneycontrol, India's #1 financial destination, has launched Moneycontrol Pro, an ad-free premium service that offers you subscribers curated markets data, exclusive trading recommendations, and actionable investment ideas, which help you stay on top of your game. In less than a year, Moneycontrol Pro has become India's fastest growing subscription service, with more than 1.2 lakh active subscribers and growing by the minute. We are grateful to all our loyal users for making Moneycontrol Pro an undisputed leader in its category, with several corporate giants subscribing in large numbers for their employees. Subscribe today for a seamless, uninterrupted access to a gamut of business and financial information. Be a pro with Moneycontrol Pro.